Hey, folks! Welcome back to this tutorial where we'll be talking about some fancy schmancy enhancements designed to help you catch the rhythm of the data structure. We're diving right into this juicy topic because we've got 6 strategies to share with you. These signals will help you get in and out of trades like a boss. Let's start with AMD, shall we? Remember when AMD was in a funk from August until mid-October? Yeah, those were the days. But then something happened. The yellow and red lines intersected and folks thought the party was just begun. But hold your horses, my friend, because when you've got a long downward spiral, the price usually takes a break and goes sideways for a bit. And that's exactly what happened here. But, like a superhero, the yellow line crossed the zero line and that's when the signal was sent to go long. Sadly, we didn't have the signal, but we can see what happened next. The cycle went off the rails and ripped straight up to the point where the yellow and red lines intersected again, ending the short-lived party. Ahoy there, traders! Now, after that sweet signal for AMD, what did we have in store? Well, buckle up, because we're about to take another roller coaster ride of sideways action before getting that juicy sell signal. But don't worry, my friends, we've got our trusty yellow line to guide us. When it hits the zero line and the stars align to give us a sell signal, that's when we strike. You could have hopped on that short and rode it all the way to the next intersect. And what do you know, just like that, we closed that short on a Friday and set off on a long adventure. It's a great setup, with the signal and the crossing working together in perfect harmony. Of course, I'm not suggesting you follow my every move, but if I were trading AMD, this is what I'd be looking at. So there you have it, folks. That's how you use this little gem of a signal. Don't say I never gave you anything. And when it comes to Tesla, well, that's a whole different story. This one was created to identify the peak phase cycle using those cayenne spikes, but you could also use the bands to time your entry and exits depending on your risk tolerance. Aye, Captain. Ladies and gents, let me tell you, trading TSLA with this phase cycle is like a ride at Six Flags. You hold on tight and let the signals take you for a wild ride. This right here marks the start of a new phase cycle. It's like the green light to go. And it'll take you all the way down to the finish line. It's a beautiful thing, unless of course you hold on too long and it takes your money. But hey, that's just part of the game. Sometimes when the trend is strong, it keeps going. That's why these spikes here are like your trusty GPS. They show you the start and end of each phase. Now, you could just follow the signals and get out whenever, but if you want to time it just right and win big, you wait for the phase cycle to collapse and end. That's how you use this to your advantage, folks. Ahoy there, traders! Let us set sail and explore the seas of the stock market, starting with the mighty BX. Now, BX is a beast of a stock, with long ranges like a kraken's tentacles. But don't worry, our trusty trading algorithm is smoothing out the waves and making it all look like a sunny day at the beach. Want to make a big score? Well, just keep an eye out for signals and jump on a put option at the right moment. You'll be surprised at how fast you can make a killing and then be out of there. And if you're feeling extra adventurous, let's also take a gander at the QQQs. I have 2 of them ready for you. Yo, traders! Are you ready to take your game to the next level? Well, I've got the secret sauce right here. I've been testing out 2 scorchin' hot indicators and by Friday, I'll be picking my favorite. But let me tell ya, both are smokin'. And that's not all, folks. We've got the QQQs and the Spy Guys, too. Just get on that train at the zero line and let it take you on a wild ride to the moon. These indicators track the phase cycle of the data structure and give you refined entry points to help you determine when to jump in and bail out of your trades. It's the nuts and bolts of how to win big, my friends. So, if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll be more than happy to lend a helping hand. Thanks for watching and good luck out there.